What is going on, y'all? My name is Josh. For all those that are new here to my channel, I am a part-time reseller based here in rural West Tennessee, and today I'm going to do a little bit different. It's a what so video like I've been doing, but I'm going to take you along with me, and I'm going to show you how I pull my orders. You're going to see like what everything, basically everything's set the way it is for me. No cutting the camera or anything like that. But as I pull the items, I'm going to pick them up. I'm going to show you what I sold them for, and this, that, and the other. So we're going to go ahead and hop on in this. I already got my account pulled up on the computer, and the first item that we have is a Barbie. I'm going to use my phone so we can take it with us and basically see what each thing sold for. So we're going to go ahead and walk over to where I get my Barbies. So I got you on the selfie stick today. I just got the selfie stick from the dig store that I go to. And I basically am trying it out because my family and I are going on vacation here in a couple weeks, and I'm going to be doing a lot of videoing, and I just want to see, how this camera does on the selfie stick. So, first Barbie we got is the Fashion Play Barbie. Now, behind me right here, minus this top because I've been doing some cleaning, is where all my Barbies are, except for the big ones I keep it over here on the shelf. But this is where they are, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to dig in here and see which one we can find. So we need the Fashion Play, which shouldn't be too hard to find. Purple Hearts. I say that. And I am Easter style, unless I already have it out, which I don't think I do. I mean, this is firsthand. You're seeing it how I'm doing it. What does it look like? Especially in a swimsuit. Okay, so we'll have to pick them up and look and see. These are the glitter ones. Easter, I don't think she's Easter. She's supposed to be in a swimsuit kind of thing. Ha! Here it is right here in front of my face. So first item we have is a vintage Fashion Play Barbie. Again, this is from that lot that I've been selling off that I picked up last Friday. Remember me talking about? Anyway, I sold it for $17.50 free shipping. Okay, next item. This one should be a little bit easier to find because it's right here on the shelf. I just got to dig it out. Yes, I mean dig it out because this is how I am. I know my shelving stuff is crazy. It might look unorganized to most people, but to me, I know where it is. It's like a organized chaos, I guess you could say, for me. But this is the item that I'm pulling out right now. It's this Hess training van, and again, I got this at the same place that I got the Barbies and everything last week from the local guy that I picked from. Anyway, I gave $5 for it, and I sold it for $30 and free shipping. So that's not too bad. I mean, I'll take that. And I don't know why I'm putting these over here where I take my pictures at. So we're going to move these over here to where I ship and package everything up for shipping. Okay, so next item we got is a Coleman. Here it is. It's right here. This is a Coleman propane hose with adapter. I picked this up at the dig store that I go to, the Amazon, to give me a 5. I made a video a few videos ago about that store, and I actually went digging, and I believe I might have found this on that day. I'm not 100% sure. But I think I did. But anyway, I sold this for $20. I got $5 in it. Moving on to the next one. Okay, so we got another Barbie, and this one is going to be the Bewitched Barbie, which I probably have gotten it over here. Ha! Right here. This Barbie right here. And again, it coming out of that lot of Barbies, and I sold this one for $38.50 free shipping. Of course, all the Barbies that I'm selling, I'm putting them in boxes and shipping them out. That way, they arrive to the customer's house. Because I don't know if they're a collector or not. I know I'm paying the shipping on them, but I have enough in it that my shipping will be covered along with the cost of goods that I'm still turning a good profit. So, anyway, next item is, and y'all see me sell one of these the other day, and I just listed this a couple of days ago. Oh, not even a couple of days ago, a day ago. But it's a Revlon volumizer, hair dryer all in one brush thing. Again, I sold it as used. It looked like it didn't ever been used, but I put it out there as used, and I sold this one for $34.50 free shipping. just because I was just trying to turn it and get it out, because I'm trying to make room for some more stuff that I have on the ground. And if you don't understand what I mean by more stuff, check this out. See all this down in here, from the vacuum cleaner and that box all the way over, all that stuff that I'm pointing at, all that is merchandise that I don't even have listed yet that I have to get to. And yes, I am still buying and bringing in more items every day. So I actually went out today during lunch, didn't have my camera because it was here, and went and sourced. But I'm going to show you what I got here in a little bit after we do this what sold video. So we done talked about the hair dryer. So now we're going to the next item. Okay, next item I have is a gaming item, and it should be right here. It is a PlayStation 2 Silver controller. Now, I bought, I don't know, months ago, I bought a lot of gaming stuff, and I kind of been collecting it as the summer went on so that I could start putting things together. But I sold this one remote for $19.50. It works, it's tested, you know, everything works out great. Again, tip I gave last time, if you're going to be selling gaming stuff, make sure you get the consoles. Try to buy an extra one for you to keep so you can test controllers, test games, test memory cards, test all that stuff, so that when you list an item and it goes out to your customer, you know they're getting a working item. So that's just my little tip of the day. Alright, moving on to another cool little item. And I picked this up, I want to say probably 2 or 3 months ago, and I just kind of drug my feet on listing it, and I should have listed it sooner, but it's pretty cool. It is this Walkman. I know some of y'all out there, y'all know what these are. I remember my dad had one of these when I was a kid, and me cutting grass, listening to this thing. That was like before I ever had a portable CD player. But anyway, it's a Walkman. The model is SRF-H2. I got $1 in this at a yard sale, and I sold it for $25. So I mean, that's not a bad flip. Works great. I turned it on. Matter of fact, I let my son, who is 15, he put it on, and he thought it was pretty cool too. So, you know, I hope the buyer enjoys that. Alright, next item I have, and it's an item that I've had for a while. Again, I'm just getting to listing these things, and it is right in here. As a matter of fact, this one, the next item I'm going to show you. So we're going to go ahead and just pull that too. We're going to set it over here. And right here. Okay, so what's in this box is Murray circuit breakers single pole. Now, I didn't know anything about circuit breakers until I started reselling items on eBay. But I have found some of the Simmons brand is like the holy grail, I guess you could say. Them things sell for like $20 a pop or more. And I remember I had like 7 of them, and I made like $300 something off of them, and I bought them all for $5 at the dig store. They were in a box. So anyway, this right here, this is the second box of these I had. They're supposed to come in boxes of 12, but one is missing, so it's only 11. So I sold this one for $25, and free shipping, but it'll go in like a flat rate box. So, you know, I'll make a little money off of it, but not a lot. Alright, next 2 items I have, I'll go ahead and hop in the one that y'all already seen me pull, and it's right here. And I mean, I buy a lot of Hot Wheels and I sell a lot of Hot Wheels, but I don't really recommend these right here. I haven't done that well with them, but here they are. It's the Hot Wheels ID. I bought all these over a year ago, and when I bought them, I thought I had something, but I really didn't. I actually kind of just broke even on this, selling them. It's sold total for $60, $40 for the cars, $20 shipping. It's going overseas, so like I said, I'm just basically breaking even. So if you see the ID cards, there's certain ones like the Mystery Machine from Scooby-Doo, something like that, that are actually pretty good, pretty highly sought after. I picked those up if you get them cheap, but try to stay away from those. I didn't like them, and like I said, I sell a lot of Hot Wheels. Okay, so my final item, and that is over here. Excuse me, lunch is coming up to visit me again. And this is where I keep all my shirts and stuff. I believe this is the one we sold right here. Yeah. hoodie right here we picked up this weekend. My wife and I did, and it's a Harley hoodie. It's pretty cool. Has this cool little thing on the top, on the front, lacing thing, but the graphic on the back is cool. I mean, I used to have a Harley. I used to ride all the time, and I love getting Harley stuff. So the buyer picked this up. I believe it was like $25 or $20 with $8 shipping. So I mean, it's all in all, it's a great flip. I got $2 in it, and I actually bought this one and about 4 more over the weekend at a yard sale. So yep, $20, $8 shipping. Just had to double check my numbers. So that is what I have going out today, y'all. I'm going to get over here in a minute and I'm going to list it. But I told y'all that I picked up some things and we would go through them. So let's find those things real quick. So I hope y'all are liking this. I hope that you're seeing this is me. This is how I am. I'm real talkative. Somewhat neat at times. Just not right now because we just moved into this building about a couple months ago. And also while doing that, we started another business, my wife and I did, of shaved ice. So we're wrapping it down and bringing things in from it, getting ready to close it up for the year. So I've been kind of busy. So anyway, let me find what I did with my stuff. I just had it. I mean, I just brought it in and I just set it down. I mean, that's the problem that I have. I got so much crap I can't figure it out when I'm done with everything. It's over here somewhere. Y'all just hang tight. Oh, here it is. That's why I couldn't find that. Set it inside of a bin. Okay, so one item I picked up was this Robinson stainless steel bread knife, and I've actually sold these before. I only paid $1 for it, and they still anywhere from like $10 to $12. So if you see that brand, don't be afraid to pick it up. Vintage knives are a great buy. Cutco is like the name brand, the main one you want to look for. If you find a Cutco knife, hey, them things could be up in like $60, $70 range. What else did I pick up? Okay, another thing, vintage Tupperware. I picked all this Tupperware up. Here's one. I paid $2 for it, and I like selling vintage Tupperware. It just sells good for me. Here's another thing. I picked up these. It's 2, 4. It's 5 bowls right here, little small bowls, old Tupperware, $2. I mean, you're seeing the prices that I'm paying for these things. And I got 2 of these. They're like Tupperware little serving dishes. Again, right here. And I gave $1 a piece for them. There's 1. Here's 2. And this right here is a precision hollow ground knife, and some of these are selling fairly well. But anyway, I picked it up for $1, and I think I could probably get like maybe $10 for it. But I'm probably gonna hang on to it along with the other knife until I can find some more and kind of make a big lot. You know, maybe I can find some of the same brand and lot them together. Try to get a little more money, help with my shipping. But my big find, y'all, my big find was this. I'm gonna show it to you. I've got 8 of these. 4 brand new in the box. These little solar lights right here. These things are selling for like, hang on just a second, we'll grab my phone and I will show you. I want to say they were selling for like 30, 40 bucks for 2, and I got 8 of them. So that was an awesome flip. And there, you know, it's just one of those things I happened to come across and scanned it. So, and picked them up. Alright, we scanned it, y'all. Here we go. Alright, we're going to go to filter and sold. Yeah, right here. Okay, on 9/7. I don't know if y'all be able to see it or not. 9/7. On 9/7, 2 of these lights sold for $29.99 with $13.50 shipping. And then on 9/3, 2 of them sold for $35.99. I mean, so like I said, I got $8 and I bought 4 of them. So I'm definitely going to be in the profit on this. I think I spent a total of $17 at the thrift store today during lunch. And as you can tell, I'm doing pretty good. So anyway, that is about all I have for y'all today. I'm going to watch this video and see what I think about it. See if it's even, you know, going to be any kind of count I hope it is. I hope I can just throw it on there and we rock and roll. And that's probably what I'll do anyway, just so I can get y'all's thoughts. But anyway, this is me. This is who I am. If you have any questions, you want to comment, by all means, go ahead and do so. Again, I'd like to say thank y'all for taking time out to watch my videos, to come back. And like, again, I know I got some of y'all that watch like every one that I put out there, and I thank you for that. And would really hope that you share these videos with folks so people can know and people can learn, because there's a lot of opportunity out there. This weekend there's a lot of big yard sales going on in community art and some of these communities. Got about an hour drive to get to them, because like I said, I'm in a rural area of Tennessee. So I will have my camera. Matter of fact, I want to bring both my cameras, and I will video my whole time out. Matter of fact, my whole family's going with me, so we should find some pretty good stuff. With all that being said, I guess I'm going to hop off of here and get into eBaying. So until I see y'all again, which will probably be tomorrow or the next day, if you're out there and you're sourcing, see a veteran, shake his or her hand, tell them thank you, and I'll catch y'all on the next episode of Flipping and Shipping.